This video will talk about the purpose of window treatments, types, materials, styles, and several other options. All parts of this video are very important for you to understand thoroughly. If you look up what window treatments on the internet, you will immediately see that so many pages directly explain about curtains, blinds, shades, drapes, or shutters without giving a basic explanation of what window treatments are and what to do about them. Now, let's start from the basics of what window treatments are. Window treatments are any efforts made to treat windows in any way that aims to enhance the beauty and purpose of windows and rooms in terms of interior decoration. Window treatment goals. First of all, there are several reasons why windows must receive important attention and adequate treatment that you should know about. Following are the goals of window treatments. Number 1. Decorative effect. The objective of your treatment might be to incorporate the window into your space or enhance its decorative appeal. Through this treatment, you aim to introduce elements of color, texture, and style to the room. Number 2. Temperature control. In today's market, there are window coverings available that incorporate a thin foam layer to offer insulation. Additionally, the inclusion of a thermal backing layer can effectively retain cold air inside when the external temperature becomes uncomfortably hot. Number 3. Light control. There are several materials from window treatments that have different translucent capacities that you can choose to suit your goals and wishes. Blackout shades and sheers have very different translucency. Number 4. Visibility. Window treatments can enhance privacy in a room by reducing visibility. This feature is especially significant for windows in bathrooms, where privacy is crucial. If you desire limited visibility while still allowing natural light to filter through, you might want to explore window panes made of frosted, textured, or stained glass. This time we will talk about the types of window treatments. Generally, window coverings can be categorized into two types based on material used. Those are hard coverings and soft coverings. Type of hard covering is made of hard materials. Manufacturers make hard coverings with wood composites, plastic, bamboo, or aluminum. And it consists of blinds and shutters. Meanwhile, soft coverings are made of soft materials which are usually fabrics, consisting of shades, curtains, drapes. For hard covering, there are blinds and shutter. Blinds serve a practical purpose by effectively blocking sunlight. These window coverings are attached to the upper part of the window frame and can be lowered to conceal the window or raised to allow in natural light. It consists of adjustable slats to regulate both light and airflow. Shutters have the option of being installed either inside or outside of the window. They are available in a range of styles, shapes, and colors. Examples of commonly seen shutter types include louvered shutters and shaker-style shutters. For soft coverings, there are shades, curtains, drapes. Shades and blinds have similar function of blocking light and regulating temperature by rolling down over windows. Unlike blinds, shades are typically constructed from fiber or bamboo and lack slats. This design makes shades highly efficient as insulators. Certain types of curtains can decrease external noise by as much as 80%. This is ideal for creating a tranquil environment in spaces such as bedrooms or libraries. Moreover, curtains also have an impact on the lighting and temperature regulation of a room. Drapes are typically double-lined and made of thick fabric, while curtains are mainly used for decorative purposes. Drapes, on the other hand, are more practical and can also be visually appealing. They serve the purpose of blocking sunlight, heat, or cold air. Window treatment and covering styles. The window treatments you select will impact the appearance of your room. For instance, if your kitchen has a modern aesthetic, choose a treatment with clean lines and a sleek appearance. Here are a few styles that your window covering can complement: contemporary, modern, Scandinavian, shabby chic, bohemian, rustic, farmhouse, beach, and Victorian. Around the window. Window treatments doesn't only decorates the window, but around the window frame also gets important attention. In many cases, a window is accompanied by trim, interior jamb, valance, cornice, and reveal. Those all form a boundary between the window and the wall. For trim, consider the ways that window trim could add to the atmosphere of a room. Bright, cherry red or yellow window trim could create a whimsical, fun look, while dark tones might generate a grounding feeling. In addition to color, a window's trim can make a statement when it is either simple or ornate. For the interior jamb refers to the wall section that spans from the window glass to the wall surface. In cases where the window has a substantial inset, the jamb can be quite sizable. Enhance this aspect by considering materials such as polished wood, steel, or stone. A valance is a small fabric panel that hangs from the upper part of a window. Its main purpose is decoration, although it also helps regulate the amount of light that enters the room. A cornice is akin to a valance, but instead of using hanging fabric, it is constructed with a solid board. Cornices are utilized to conceal the hardware used to affix window coverings and also provide decorative embellishment. A window reveal is a narrow strip that can be painted or made with wood surrounding a window. It is sometimes called a window liner and can serve a functional purpose by connecting the window to the wall. Those all the basic knowledge about window treatments and window covering that you should know. It is quite important to understand before you take action in decorating your windows.